Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. At a supermarket. What should we make tonight? What should we make tonight? Something easy sounds good. Something easy sounds good. How about curry? How about curry? I'd love some curry. I'd love some curry. Let's find the meat first. Let's find the meat first. Chicken should be fine. Chicken should be fine. The chicken is right here. The chicken is right here. Which one looks best? Which one looks best? This pack is discounted. This pack is discounted. It's 20% off. It's 20% off. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. We need some vegetables. We need some vegetables. Do we have any potatoes? Do we have any potatoes? I don't think we do. I don't think we do. Let's get some onions, too. Let's get some onions, too. What about carrots? What about carrots? We definitely need them. We definitely need them. Let's get about 3. Let's get about 3. We're out of milk, right? We're out of milk, right? Right. I almost forgot. Right. I almost forgot. We still have some eggs. We still have some eggs. Then we don't need to buy them. Then we don't need to buy them. We're out of curry roux. We're out of curry roux. We definitely need to get some. We definitely need to get some. Which flavor should we get? Which flavor should we get? Nothing too spicy. Nothing too spicy. This one looks perfect. This one looks perfect. Oh, this one's discounted, too. Oh, this one's discounted, too. There are lots of discounts today. There are lots of discounts today. Maybe because it's evening. Maybe because it's evening. This salad is marked down. This salad is marked down. Let's add it to dinner. Let's add it to dinner. Good idea, more vegetables. Good idea, more vegetables. What else do we need? What else do we need? I think that's everything. I think that's everything. Can we check the desserts? Can we check the desserts? Sure. Anything you want? Sure. Anything you want? This pudding looks good. This pudding looks good. Should we get two? Should we get two? One is enough. One is enough. Let's head to the checkout. Let's head to the checkout. Did you bring the bags? Did you bring the bags? They're in the car. They're in the car. Then we're all set. Then we're all set. It was cheaper than expected. It was cheaper than expected. Thanks to the discounts. Thanks to the discounts. Curry it is tonight. Curry it is tonight. Let's start cooking right away. Let's start cooking right away. We need to cook the rice. We need to cook the rice. I'll start the rice first. I'll start the rice first. Sounds good. Sounds good. Did we forget anything? Did we forget anything? I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's head home. Let's head home. I can't wait for dinner. I can't wait for dinner. We got some good deals. We got some good deals. Definitely. Definitely. Let's start cooking when we get home. Let's start cooking when we get home. Got it. Got it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.